1. 1978 Ford F250, $3,000, Des Moines, Iowa. This 1978 Ford F250 is a solid project truck with a 400 V8 engine, a rebuilt automatic transmission from 2 years ago, and a new radiator and gas tank. The truck includes a brake controller and everything functions properly. However, the odometer is broken. It has a clean title and is being sold by the owner due to a lack of use. 2. 1967 Ford F100, $3,200, Reno, Nevada. This 1967 Ford F100 pickup features a 352 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has been upgraded with disc brakes and runs and drives well. The odometer has rolled over, but the truck holds a clean title. No smog is required in Nevada, making it an appealing classic for restoration or daily driving. Three, 1978 Datsun 620 long bed pickup, $3,400, Portland, Oregon. This 1978 Datsun 620 is a reliable and well-maintained long bed pickup with an L20B engine and a smooth-shifting 4-speed manual transmission. It remains mostly stock, except for a Weber DGV carburetor. Owned for 8 years, it has been used sparingly, averaging only 500 miles per year. The sale includes a crack-free windshield, stock wheels, and a stock steering wheel. Four, 1978 Chevrolet C20, $7,200, Yucca, Arizona. This 1978 Chevy C20 square body truck is rust-free and features a straight body with all glass intact. It has a rebuilt 350 V8 engine with only 5,200 miles and a turbo 400 automatic transmission with 3,000 miles. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, new seat cover, tune-up, and oil change. The truck sits on matching tires with 90% tread. 5. 1978 GMC Sierra Grande K15 4x4, $9,500, West Des Moines, Iowa. This 1978 GMC Sierra Grande K15 is a short box 4x4 pickup with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and a T19 4-speed manual transmission. It comes equipped with dual fuel tanks, tilt steering, cruise control, and air conditioning. The truck has a clean title, a new battery, and a new seat, though the clutch is weak and may require attention. Six, 1975 GMC C10 short bed, $7,500, Applegate, Oregon. This 1975 GMC C10 short bed pickup comes with a new 350 crate engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Originally a one-owner truck, it has some rust but remains a great restoration candidate. The sale includes various replacement parts, such as a new floor pan, lower quarter panels, battery box, tailgate handle, door latches, muffler, and flywheel cover. 7. 1978 Ford F250 Crew Cab, 7000 Adkins, Texas. This 1978 Ford F250 Crew Cab short bed, also known as a dent side, is being sold as a project truck. The VIN confirms a 351 V8 engine and an NP 435 manual transmission. The motor turns over but lacks a carburetor and radiator. It has rust on the roof and dents on the passenger side. The title is missing and the truck has been sitting for 25 years. Number 8. 1979 Datsun 620 King Cab Pickup, 6500 Prescott, Arizona. This 1979 Datsun 620 King Cab Pickup is in excellent condition and features an automatic transmission. The truck has a new interior, new tires, and runs and drives well. The odometer reads 35,875 miles, and it has a clean title. Nine. 1972 Ford F100 Custom Pickup 2WD, $2,400, Milwaukee, Oregon. This 1972 Ford F100 runs but requires transmission work. It features a V8 engine with an automatic transmission. The odometer is broken and the truck needs attention, but it starts and runs. The seller offers towing within the Portland area. 10. 1970 Chevrolet El Camino, $9,500, Corona, California. This 1970 Chevrolet El Camino is powered by a 350 V8 engine with a Brawler 4-barrel carburetor, Edelbrock intake, headers, and an aluminum radiator. It includes power steering, power disc brakes, a B&M shifter, rally wheels, and an SS-style cowl hood. The car runs and drives, but needs an exhaust system and some TLC. 11. 1971 Ford Ranchero, $8,000, Palmdale, California. This 1971 Ford Ranchero features a 351 Cleveland V8 engine, power steering, power brakes, and front disc brakes. The engine has only 5,000 miles on it, and the truck runs well. It also has factory air conditioning, an Edelbrock manifold, and a Holley carburetor. 12. 1975 Ford Truck, $8,500, San Bernardino, California. This 1975 Ford truck is in good mechanical condition with a strong engine and transmission. The truck has 169,420 miles and comes with a clean title. 13. 1970 Chevrolet Custom K20, $3,950, Helena, Montana. This 1970 Chevrolet Custom K20 is a four-wheel drive project truck powered by a 350 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It has factory air conditioning, but the body needs significant work. The frame and drivetrain are in good condition. The truck has a clean title and needs to be trailered due to a loose front end. $14. 1975 Ford F150, $8,500, San Bernardino, California. This 1975 Ford F150 features a 351 V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor. It runs well but needs some TLC. The truck does not require a smog test and has a clean title. 15. 1973 Chevrolet C10, $5,200. This 1973 Chevrolet C10 long bed features a Cheyenne package and a factory 454 V8 engine with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It has new brakes, suspension, and tires. The interior has been refreshed and the truck runs, drives, and stops well. A canopy is available with the sale. $16. 1969 Ford dump truck 5-yard, Tooth-Thallingham, Washington. This 1969 Ford dump truck has a 5-yard capacity and runs well. It has new tires and a new battery, but has a small hydraulic leak in the lift. The brake lines need replacing. It has remained on private property and has a clean title. $17. 1963 Chevrolet C60 grain truck, $1,800. Naperville, Illinois. This 1963 Chevrolet C60 grain truck has only 58,160 miles and is powered by a 292 inline-6 engine. It ran 2 years ago, but now requires a water pump. Located in Marseille, Illinois, the truck has a clean title. $18. My 1984 Dodge D150, $800, Grand Terrace, California. This 1984 Dodge D150 commercial truck is being sold as a project vehicle. It runs but could not pass a smog test. The engine has been rebuilt once, and the truck is currently registered as non-operational. The sale includes the bumper, grille, and tailgate. 19. 1980 Ford F350 Dually, $3,500, Willow Lake, South Dakota. This 1980 Ford F350 Dually features a V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and a clean title. It has 129,513 miles and is in good overall condition.